I'm Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. Today we're going to make another summer salad dish with corn. So I have some beautiful corn from the farm that I picked today, and I'm gonna grill the corn and then cut the kernels off, and then mix it with the cherry tomatoes. So I'm gonna cut them in half also, and then add a little bit of onion, lemon juice, parsley, and a little jalapeno pepper. Very simple, but it's very good side dish. If you go to potluck parties or barbecues, you can bring this salad and it will be amazing. Alright, so we're gonna need grill for that. So I have to heat my grill first and then start grilling my corn. So if you don't have grill at home, so you can do it on your stove, but you need to have like gas stove. Just be careful, don't burn your hands. So I usually put like 1, 2, 3, and just kind of turn them around when it starts crackling. You'll hear that in a few minutes. There we go. So corn is grilled. So it's easier if you break it in half and then cut the kernels off. This way they kind of stay close and don't fall around too much. So you just cut them off. Place them in a bowl. So I have little cherry tomatoes here. I think that just look prettier in the salad. You can do like quarters, or you can do just half. It's up to you. But you can use any color that you have, or you can find at your farmer's market. I think that will be enough. So I use like 3 corn here and 1 cup tomatoes. I was thinking to get some feta and add the feta to the salad, but I forgot when I was shopping. So I'm gonna add a little bit of grated Parmesan. I think that will be good too. Alright, half shallot. Let's do 1 whole red onion. This is from the farm too. And we need some parsley because we need some green in our salad. And this parsley is so fragrant. I used it in 1 salad already and it was just fabulous. Fresh herbs make any dish. So this jalapeno is very spicy. I already used it, so it was very, very spicy. So you have to always test it before you add to your dish. If you don't like too spicy, just add just a little bit. Hope it's not too much. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit of dressing to that. Apple cider vinegar. I think 1 tablespoon, or I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. Alright. And then our olive oil from fresh pressed olive oils. Oh my goodness, look at this color. That's beautiful. This oil is actually from Chile. Yeah, that's beautiful. Add 2 tablespoons. Alright, that's beautiful. And 1 lemon juice. Alright, it's gonna need about 5 minutes to set up all the flavors. Oh, I need pepper. And a little bit of salt. Okay, and stir. And our grilled corn salad is ready. So this was our budget-friendly grilled corn salad with cherry tomatoes, parsley, and a little bit of Parmesan. So I'm gonna taste it. See how it tastes with Parmesan, because I have no idea. Never made it before. It's beautiful. It's crunchy, it's bright, it's spicy. I told you the jalapeno was very spicy.